Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So this video will be a deep explanation video like that one which I have done 4 weeks ago. You know, or you don't know, I had an internet connection upgrade, and that took for at least 4 weeks, yes. But now I'm back, and I'm doing this today, a video about the binary option price action trading strategies with price action patterns and candlestick psychology. That will be the program in this kind of video, and we are going to start immediately because I have no time to waste. And important is that my internet connection is already done, yes, but it's not almost fixed. That means I will have still some problems, but I think I can do this video now, and then we will see how we are going to continue on Monday when I'm back. So, okay, now we are going to start. Here we see here a ranging market. And I want to show you now, because the last prediction which I have done 4 weeks ago was right, yes. Here we will talk now about what will be the next candle. This week here is the upper shadow is showing buying pressure. We are here but in a consolidation area. And we got, after a prolonged uptrend, we got here now a minor downtrend. So the probability that the next candle will be a weak candle is really high, because we have here nothing else than a consolidation area. Price is in between of between the 100 EMA and the 50 EMA, but this is showing buying pressure. So the next candle will be a really weak candle, because we have here also a support and resistance level. So the only trade which I would do here in this case would be a put option on rejection from this level above the consolidation area. And that is what I want to show you now, because it's important to understand how to apply those concepts which I have explained in my ebooks. So let me show you this. We have here the ebooks. It is a price action guide. I have prepared already something. So the price action guides, here are all those kind of concepts. You can see this. This price action guide is the black version. As you see here, 120 pages of illustration, everything explained in detail as illustration. Watch the videos to understand more about this, yes, but you can apply those kind of concepts at any kind of financial instrument, any kind of time frame, any kind of broker, and everywhere. And now I want to show you some concepts which I have named here, and the most important is this one here. Sorry, is this concept where I talked about the Bollinger Band and the EMAs. So we have here the EMAs, constriction, consolidation area. You see what I mean? Yes, here ranging market flat. Your entry point should be outside of the support and resistance levels. Sorry, here you can see this again. Constriction, consolidation area between the EMAs and your entry point. That is how to identify entry points, how to find entry points, when to enter into a trade. Yes, consolidation area outside of the consolidation area. That means your entry point should be here. On a put, you do a put here and above the 100 EMA. That is what you should do. Obviously, you need also some other concepts which I have explained. That's, for example, about the purchase time and the expiration time. In purchase time, you need that price goes up, yes, and then you need in the next 30 seconds the feeling, yes, you have to see that the candlestick is going to down again and going in expiration time down, and then you see you get this check here. That means yes, that's the right way to trade it. Yes, price goes up because this is showing buying pressure, then a rejection or from 100.169 or from this kind of level here, yes, which is also that is an area, yes, support and resistance zone, yes, it's not a level, and then you enter here into a put above the 100 EMA, and that will be for sure also one in the money. Yes, like I have explained this in the last video where I have done the prediction for the first candle on Monday morning. Okay, so that was only this to show you how you can use this kind of concept. You can do this also not only on yes, with the price action guide, you can do this also with the price action Bible. I can show you this now here immediately. 1 second. The price action Bible has much more detailed information about this. Yes, and let me show you the price action Bible. So I get often, again to this price action guide, I get often emails from users who wants this kind of Bible, this kind of guide or Bible for free. They tell me they have no money to buy this guide or this Bible. And I tell you something, if you don't have the money to buy this guide, I will not give this guide or this Bible for free, because it's easy. If you cannot afford to spend some money for your knowledge, and you cannot pay this little amount for 120 pages full of price action stuff, then you should not trade. That is my honest opinion to you. Yes, it's better that you search some other profession. Yes, because if you are not able to, or not, you cannot afford to lose $10 or to invest $10, because I think losing you can lose $10. Yes, because at the end you have already lost $10. Yes, but you are not able, or you are not willing to invest that kind of dollars in some knowledge, then you will not deserve that you will become a trader. That is so easy. Yes, because you have to invest in your knowledge, you have to invest to become a successful, profitable trader, and this is really a small amount for this great knowledge which I have put together. You have to understand that there is no other price action guide, no other price action book out there which covers all those kind of concepts, yes, which has so many illustrations, which tells you exactly what you have to do, yes, and which is also based on those kind of things which I have explained in the videos. Yes, so you have not only the book, you have also the videos where I explain this on live chart, where I show you exactly what you have to do. Yes, more than this I cannot do. Yes, you see here a lot of no rejection trading setups based on the market condition, healthy uptrends, strong trends, continuation patterns, reversal patterns. Yes, that is all this kind of knowledge based on my years of experience in binary option trading. I have done only binary option trading. I have not done Forex. Yes, and if you are able to trade on binary options, you can handle every kind of financial instrument. You can handle everything with the knowledge which is in this ebook. So, sorry. That is this one. As you see, my students are doing here great stuff and are collecting here, reading, and you see, full of knowledge. Okay, that is the price action guide. So if you cannot afford to spend this, please don't send me an email and ask for this ebook for free. Yes, because it's so less from the money. Yes, it's really a packet of cigarettes. Yes, if you don't smoke 1 day or 2 days, you can afford this kind of ebook. Yes, so don't ask me for this, because I think that is really ridiculous, because if you have not this money to afford this ebook, you should search another profession. You should stop immediately trading, because you cannot even afford this. So, and that is what I'm telling you always, but most of you do not listen. If you cannot afford to lose that money, don't trade, because you will lose this money. It's a psychology thing. I will cover this in some more videos when I'm back, really back, doing videos again on a regular basis. Okay, so that is a price action guide. You find the link in the description. Yes, it's really low cost, and it's really worth the money. The second one is the price action Bible. It's a white one. The white one is much more complex, much more information, 270 pages, that are 150 pages more than the price action guide. And the price action Bible is the holy grail. Why it's the holy grail? Because everything is explained in text. So for those one who have difficulties to understand what I'm telling in my videos, yes, because my accent, yes, is really strong, and some of you have problems to understand this, you can read this, what I have told in the videos, in the price action Bible, more in detail, and you see so many texts, so many pages, and then you see everything in detail. The price action Bible, yes, is in the price action Bible is included the price action guide, so you don't need to buy both. Yes, because I have always get the question, do I need to buy the price action guide and the price action Bible? And I have to say, no, you need only the price action guide or the price action Bible. And I would suggest you to get the price action Bible, because in the price action Bible, the concepts which I have explained are much more detailed explained in text. And you can do copy and paste, put this in the translator, and then you get your language. Yes, that is for all those one who tell me always that they do not speak so good English. But I can say to you that English is so easy. Not even me is English. My mother language is not English. So at the end, I'm at the same level like you. Yes, and if you have to learn some technical vocabulary, yes, like a pin bar, like evening star, morning star, that are things you should know. Yes, doji, and also something like a double top or double bottom. Yes, that is really easy English. Yes, there's nothing what you have to understand, and you can see here criteria in uptrend at key level. Does this mean? This is so easy. Market in healthy uptrend. Yes, you have only to understand a few English words, and then you can handle the price action Bible really easy. Yes, so that there should not be any problems. And support and resistance is called support and resistance. Entry points are entry points. Yes, and when I'm explaining here how to trade, you see this here, how to trade and what you not to should to do. That is so easy that can understand also a 6-year-old child. Okay, so that is you see here another student who has printed all this kind of stuff at the blackboard, at the wall. Yes, and you see marked the most important part, the criteria. Here this marks the criteria, marks the support and resistance, and how to trade and when not to trade, you see. And that is what the price action Bible is about. Here's another zoom on this. Yes, really good stuff. Good student here which has printed all the stuff and has read it to understand how to trade the specific market conditions, the chart patterns, candlestick patterns, and obviously the bot sure shots. Yes, okay, so that is a price action Bible. It's cost a little bit more than the price action guide, but this money is invested good. Yes, if you are buying the Bible or the guide, you have done a really good investment, because those two books are giving you the edge to make it real, yeah, to own the market, that, and not to be trapped by it, because you get the whole information which I gained in years of experience by trading professional binary option turbo trading. Okay, so and the next one, I do have to do a fast overview here only, because I will have to jump later again. For those one who are not able to join the BOTT mentorship program, and are not successful and don't know how to apply those things which are explained in the ebooks. Yes, for those one I have done the video pack 1, video pack 2, video pack 3, and video pack 4, which are the self-study modules. Yes, instant access to my core knowledge gained in years of experience. You get immediately. I can promise you, when you get the video pack 1 and you watch the video pack 1 completely, that are 104 videos. If you have seen the 104 videos, you will see how your trading improved. Those one who have bought the video pack 1 have bought also the video pack 2, video pack 3, video pack 4, yes, and got also successful. Yes, because the video packs are really high educationally. That means that if you are watching them and you have the ebooks, you can really learn on your own and understanding how you have to choose the right trading setup to become profitable. Yes, the video packs are separated. Video pack 1 is for the beginner, video pack 2 is moderate, video pack 3 is for the advantage, and the video pack 4 is for the becoming pros that are for this reason separated in video pack 1, 2, 3, 4, because the BOTT mentorship program is separated also in 4 weeks. Yes, and every week is this stage which are passing by my students, and I have put them all together to the video packs, which are really high educationally and also highly requested. I get a download from those one every day. Yes, so at the end, get this video packs if you have not the time. Obviously, I get also the question, are the video packs an alternative to the BOTT mentorship program? And I can say only, yes, they are an alternative, but obviously the BOTT mentorship program is the top of the top. That means if you are in the BOTT mentorship program, yes, you get much more videos, you get much more information, you have the direct access to me, yes, and the BOTT mentorship program is still active. Like I told you before, I have done this pause for the reason of the interconnect connection to upgrade my internet connection. So at the end, I will be back again, so you can join the BOTT mentorship program whenever you want. So that are the video packs. I can only suggest to you, if you have no time, if you want to do this on your own, if you have problems with understanding those kind of concepts which are in the ebook or on my live trading videos, then get the video pack. Yes, the video pack 1, video pack 2, video pack 3, and video pack 4 are really, really good, and I can put my hand on the fire, yes, that you will increase your that your knowledge and your trading will be increasing and benefit from this kind of videos. So I will have to be a little bit more faster, because I'm talking here again too much about all those kind of stuff, but I get this kind of questions over and over again, and also in the last 4 weeks where I was not able to do something because of my internet connection, I get always this kind of questions, and I don't know why. The last 4 videos were about this, and I don't know why. I have to repeat this again and again, because maybe they watch not all videos. Okay, the next one is then this one here, that is the BOTT mentorship program. The BOTT mentorship program is still active. You need to send me only, okay, first of all, the link to the price action guide, you find it in the description. The link to the price action Bible, you find the link in the description, yes, of any kind of video, of any video. The video to the video packs, you find it in the description, yes, because I get almost a question where to find the links to the video packs, to the ebook, and so on, and how to join the BOTT mentorship program, yes. And all in all, it's written everything in the description, yes. And to join the BOTT mentorship program, send me easily an email with the subject BOTT mentorship program to my email address, boturbotrader@gmail.com, yes, and then I will send you the procedure to press through the application process. You will be not instant in the BOTT mentorship program. You have to pass through an application process, and this application process is obviously not so easy. Yes, it's not so easy, but at the end, if you pass through, you are legitimated to become a BOTT mentorship program student. So okay, the fee for the BOTT mentorship program is not a fixed fee. That is the reason why you don't see any kind of money here. Yes, because the BOTT mentorship program fee depends mostly from your success in the application process, and I can only recommend to each of you to join as soon as possible the BOTT mentorship program, the application process, because like I told this already 1 month ago, I will stop soon doing this. I have not still estimated time when I will do this, because I have to do some more stuff with my BOTT mentors. I have to get some traditions done for my ebook, and after this I will stop doing this. But if you want to be educated by me, yes, by me, then you should try to get into the BOTT mentorship program as fast as possible, yes, because soon I will give this job to my BOTT mentors when I have established everything else. So that was this one. I have done again an overview of the concepts and those kind of things about the books, because I get the question over and over again and I need to cover this, but now we can get into the trading stuff. So today's topic was and is binary option price action trading strategies with price action patterns and candlestick psychology. So I have prepared here already some kind of chart, and that is the beginning. And I have done in this chart, as well was yesterday, I have done 6 trades. Yes, and after this one here, you can ask me for this chart, yes, by sending me an email with the chart, with the subject chart 9, or you can go to the Instagram account and getting the chart on the Instagram account, yes, where I will publish it later after I have done the conversion of this video, which will take nearly again about 8 hours or something like this. The only fun thing is that the upload will be much faster, yes, but I will search also some solution for this, because this some students have sent me some tools to convert them faster, but they are not so applicable for me. Okay, so let's see what I have done here. So we have here, yes, that what I would call here nothing else than the process of elimination in combination with an evening star. Yes, that is an evening star. This is what I have explained here. Look at this. The concept of process of elimination here, that is nearly the same concept like this. No rejection trading setup. Here, no rejection, big candle, weak candle, resistance, reversal. Yes, but you can see this also, not only there, also here, where I have explained this one here. Yes, you see big bullish Marubozu candlestick, then we got a weak candle, and then we got the reversal. Yes, that is what this is about. And I didn't trade it this because I came a little bit later, but after I have seen this, and I have seen that this candle is creating here nothing else than lower lows, yes, and we have here a strong resistance level. I entered on the next candle into a put, yes, because it was a trend continuation after an uptrend. Yes, uptrend, reversal, trend continuation. That is what I have explained here. Yes, you get here an uptrend, reversal, trend continuation, till you get a reversal signal, and then you trade the other side. Okay, so let me see this again. So the next candle was this one, and that was an in the money, obviously, yes, because of the trend continuation after the evening star. I don't want to show you this evening star in the ebook again. I will not show you much more of those kind of concepts of the ebook, because it should be clear. When there is some concept which I have to show you, then I will show you this. Yes, but in general, those kind of concepts should be already part of your knowledge. Yes, you should know those kind of things without that I have to name this over and over again. Yes, please be some kind of self-educating. Yes, educate yourself and try to learn on your own, because it cannot be that I have to serve you everything with the silver spoon. We have the Facebook group. Yes, there are also coming sometimes yes, users who think that we are carrying them behind them everything. No, you have to move your own. Okay, that is important, because from nothing comes nothing. Okay, let me show you this. That was the next candle. Okay, that was the next candle. I entered above this round number into a put on the rejection from above, from this level. Yes, I think I have not to name this again. Yes, but for those one who don't understand this, how to trade the evening star, they should know your entry point should be above the closing price of the previous candle and above the support and resistance level. Yes, and that is the important part, what a lot of traders are missing there. So the next candle was another trade for me. I entered on the next candle again into a trade, because we got here again lower lows and lower highs. We broke through the support and resistance level. That means we got here through the round number. that is a clear sign for me that we have to continue the trend. Yes, because what do I doing if you are trading, and that is what I have explained here. Yes, if you are trading, try to follow the minor trend. Yes, if you have a reversal signal, try to follow the minor trend till you see a reversal sign. If you see no reversal sign, stay on the way and on the trend. Yes, don't start to do reversal trades without reversal signs, because I have seen this a lot of times from my BOTT mentorship program students, that they are doing reversal trades where is no sign of reversal. Yes, the reversal sign are reversal candlestick patterns. Yes, like engulfing candles, evening stars, pin bars. Yes, but you have to get the confirmation before doing this. A lot of traders are entering into trades blindly only because they think a support and resistance level is touched. Yes, but without reversal signal you will be failed, because price tends to continue the trend. Price tries to continue the trend. That means in general that price follows the trend, and that is much more, how can I say this, it's much better to follow the trend instead of hoping that a reversal trade would happen. Yes, okay, so the next one was again a put for me. Yes, because I understood that this candle broke through the support and resistance level, that we got here an uptrend, we got a reversal, so I followed the trend easily. Yes, this candle was creating a lower low, we have here a lower high. Yes, and so at the end I entered on the next candle into a put 2, and that was this one. Okay, that was the next candle. And after this candle, I didn't enter anymore into a trend continuation, because I saw that this candle got a huge rejection from this round number and the EMA, which was close to this. Yes, so at the end I decided not to enter into any kind of trade after this, because this week is showing buying pressure. Yes, that is also important that you understand this, that price, yes, that when you get rejections and you have wicks, you can understand much more easier where the pressure is coming from. Yes, and that is showing me buying pressure, and that's the reason why I didn't enter anymore in a trend continuation. We have here also the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. Here we got a 2 deviation Bollinger Band. You can see this on the live chart, which helps identifying where the reversals and where continuations will happen. Okay, so the next candle was this one. So that was the next candle. That was a piercing pattern. Yes, a piercing line pattern. And you see again here, look at this, you got a downtrend, then you get a reversal pattern. Yes, in this case it was a bullish engulfing candle. I have here nothing else than a piercing pattern, and then on the next candle I entered into a put, because I saw that this candle here, these two candles, were a fake breakout of the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. Yes, here we have the 2 deviation, here we have the 1 deviation. That was a fake breakout. This candle was showing here, this week was showing buying pressure, and so I entered on the next candle into a call. Okay, so here from this level I entered into a call, and the next candle was this. So that was the next candle. Yes, and then after this I waited. Yes, I waited for the next candle, because we have here some kind of support and resistance level, and I didn't know what happening. I could follow here the uptrend, that means it would be a call. Yes, if you got a rejection here from this level, you or an entry point below this level, you could do a call here, because like I have explained before, you have to follow the trend. That means the minor trend. Yes, and if you get a reversal, the trend follows the uptrend. That means that would be the reason why I would have entered here into a call. Yes, but I haven't done this. I traded this kind of candle not because we got here a support level and I didn't know from where the price could reject, and so I didn't enter there. And the next candle was this. Okay, and after this I didn't enter anyway into a trade because of the probability that the uptrend would continue. Yes, it's a no rejection trading setup. It's a rejection, how it's called. It's a process of elimination. Yes, trade. Let me show you this. This one here is a process of elimination. You have a bullish candle, you get a weak candle, and then on the next candle you can expect what exactly a put. Yes, but your entry point should be above the closing price of the previous candle. So let me show you this concept. Where do I have this explained in the ebook? For those one who are interested in this, yes, here's something like this. Bullish Maraboso, support and resistance level. Yes, then you get a weak candle. The next candle will be with a high probability, yes, a bearish candle. I haven't traded this here, but the next candle was this. Okay, so that was the next candle. Yes, it got a rejection here from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. You can see this in the live chart. If you want the live chart, you can send me an email with the subject chart 9. Yes, or you can get this live chart from the Instagram account. You will find the link in the description too. Yes, like the ebooks, like the video packs, and like how to join the BOTT mentorship program. Okay, so the next candle was then this. I haven't traded this too, but you could trade this, yes, because we are here doing here some kind of waves. So the next candle that was not showing buying pressure. Why was this not anymore showing buying pressure? Exactly while we touch the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. As soon the candle is touching the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, you can expect a reversal, and then you have to be much more careful. Yes, I would not anymore enter into a continuation trade after a touch of a 2 deviation Bollinger Band in a ranging market. And that is a ranging market. Yes, we have flat EMAs and we are going far away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band here. Yes, here we had the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, we are going far away. That means that the trend is losing steam, is losing momentum. Yes, and after this, yes, and so I would not do here trend continuations of this uptrend, yes, in this kind of condition after a touch of the 2 deviation. Also, if this wick is showing buying pressure, why? It's because it's so long, yes, but you have to understand that it got a rejection from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band, yes, and obviously the round number here. Okay, so the next candle was a bearish candle 2, and I could have done this trade, but I haven't done this trade because it was for my taste a little bit too close to the support and resistance level. I was not sure what's happening, so I waited. The next candle was this. So this spinning top here was the next candle. I have preferred to not trade this one, yes, because at the end, you know, after spinning top, you need to wait for the edge, and on the edge you can trade it. The next candle was a doji, yes, because after the spinning top you get a doji or some other weak candles, because we are here so close to this kind of support and resistance level. You see here a lot of here this round number. So I didn't trade it. I will have to do the next candle. 1 second. So this weak candle was the next one. Yes, after this kind of morning star. Yes. The next candle was then this. I didn't trade this because this looked to me like a consolidation area, so I didn't trade it. I waited because you don't need, and that is what I'm telling also always my students, yes, you don't need to trade each and every candlestick. Yes, it's important that you understand when to trade, which kind of setups are reliable, and if you have setups which are not reliable, that you sit on your hands and don't trade. Yes, because that is also some kind of tricky. So look at this. The next candle was again a trade for me. Yes, why? Because you see here we have this kind of wave. We got here this kind of morning star. This morning star is not unfolding like I would expect. I was expecting that this candle would break through the round number here. That would be a confirmation to me that the uptrend would continue, but this was not the case in this case, and so I entered into a put on the next candle because this candle closed below the round number after a morning star, which shows me that this is a process of elimination. I have explained this in the ebook too. Yes, I will not show you this because it will take too much time, because I'm getting already over 33 minutes, and I don't know how, I don't want to convert the video to, again, 14 hours or 18 hours like the last time. So let me see here. The next candle was this one, and I have traded this with a put option. Yes, from this support and resistance level. So 1 second. Okay, you see, that was the next candle, and here you got the understanding that we got here the kind of pullback. Yes, that is nothing else than the last kiss. Candlestick breaks through it, does a pullback to the support and resistance level, and then it got a trend continuation. Please look this kind of concepts in the price action guide and in the price action Bible. That's called the last kiss, the pullback. Yes, that is happening almost often, and it's really important that you understand this. So the next candle was no trade for me. Yes, I was waiting because I was not sure what's happening, because we got a rejection from this round number here below and this kind of support and resistance level. So the next candle was not a trade for me. You could have done a trend continuation trade here, yes, because you follow the trend. That was a pullback, so you could follow the trend. I haven't done this, yes. I waited for the next candle, and the next candle was this. Okay, after this I waited again because we got here a strong rejection from the 50 EMA. Yes, so it shows, looked like me that we got here on the support and resistance level that there will come up some kind of fake breakout. Yes, the wick here was much longer. I cannot draw this like this, yes, but it was much longer. So we got here a really long wick, which is showing that there's buying pressure close to the support and resistance level, which names it that it looks like a fake breakout. Yes, that is what I have explained here. Yes, railway tracks fade breakout, inbound breakout, inside breakout, outside breakout. Yes, that is what you have to study, and then you understand that we have here something like a fake breakout. Yes, because the next candle was this. I didn't trade this. So that was the next candle. Yes, the next candle was this kind of, I would say, bullish engulfing candle. And here, as you see, comes again the concept about the highest probability trading setups, downtrend, bullish engulfing candle, uptrend. Yes, and that is what is this one about, and what I have done on the next candle, because this candle has broken with the bullish engulfing candle the 20 EMA. I used the 20 EMA as a support level, so I entered on the next candle into a call doing the trend continuation. Okay, the trend continuation was this. That was the next candle. Let me draw this fast. That was this one. It's something like a Marubozu candlestick, yes. And this candle broke through this level here, the round number. And yes, and here we had a small wick, a little bit smaller than this. So, and that was the next candle. That was again in the money, yes. So, and then I could have done another trade here, yes, on the next one, but I haven't done this. It was the same candle like this. I will draw this. I didn't done this trade because it was already enough, because this candle was already huge. Yes, and if you have a huge candle, you have to expect a retracement. Yes, that is what a lot of traders do not. Yes, they do not understand that if you get huge candles, and then you have to expect that there will come up some retracement. In this case, it was not the case. Yes, but I have done here already 1, 2, let me see, 1, 2 trades here. Yes, 3 trades, 4 trades, and 5 trades. So I got already done a lot of trades for my sessions. Yes, because at the end I'm doing always only 3 and 3. Yes, and then I will leave the market. So and you see it was only something like 15 minutes. Yes, and after this came up this one. Okay, that was the next candle, and this next candle was in plugin, because we are again here at the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. We are in ranging market. That's the next candle will be a bearish one. That is what I have explained, where I have talked about the Bollinger Band, how to, yes, also no rejection trading setup, and also the process of elimination. Yes, and the next candle was after this. That one, I haven't traded this, yes, because at the end it was not clear to me if we are going to continue or not. I expected a reversal at this level, yes, because we got here the Bollinger Band, it was ranging, but I didn't trade this to get a much better opportunity, and the next candle was this. Okay, that was the next candle. Yes, and then I entered on the next candle into a put. Why? Because we have here nothing else than the price probability trading setup, downtrend, bullish engulfing candle, uptrend, evening star, bearish engulfing candle, reversal signal, breaking through the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. This was here, yes, and then I entered on the rejection from the 1 deviation Bollinger Band into the minor downtrend trend continuation, and that was this candle here. Okay, that was the next candle. Yes, and the last candle was then this, which was implication of a fake breakout then. Yes, because we have still ranging market. Here we have the 50 EMA, and then came up this kind of candle. Okay, and that was the last candle. So at the end, to see how I applied this, let me show you fast the screenshot. So my trades were, this was a trend continuation of the evening star after a prolonged uptrend. Then the trend continuation of this candle, which shows me that this candle was doing lower lows and lower highs. Then I traded the trend continuation after the reversal in form of a piercing line pattern. Yes, watch this in the ebook. Yes, the price action guide and the price action bible. You see those kind of examples also in the video packs. Then I traded this kind of candle here from the process of elimination of this morning star, which was not unfolding like I was expecting. Then another piercing line, bullish engulfing candle. This week was showing immense buying pressure, rejected from round number and from the 50 EMA. You can see this on the chart 9. Send me an email with chart 9 to my email address, boturbotrader@gmail.com. That is the same email address which you can use to join the application process of the BOTT mentorship program. So I traded the trend continuation, this one, and after this I have traded this one again after the reversal signal here of a bearish engulfing candle, after the touch of the 2 deviation Bollinger Band and the rejection from the 1 deviation Bollinger Band. So let me show you fast the live chart which I have prepared, and then I will stop the video. 1 second. Yeah, like you see, here is chart 9, yes, and here chart 9, and the trades were, this was a trend continuation after the evening star, which was at the 2 deviation Bollinger Band. Then I traded the trend continuation after this candle has broken the round number. After this I traded here the fake breakout of the 1 deviation Bollinger Band in form of a piercing line pattern, where this wick here was showing buying pressure, rejection from the round number 1.1152. And then I traded this kind of pullback. Yes, that is something like a last kiss. This candle breaks this round number. This candle tries to to do the fake breakout. The fake breakout failed. The candlestick closed below the round number, and so that was for me the trade, to understand that we have here the process of elimination and I can do a put here. After this we got a fake breakout with a huge rejection from the round number and the 50 EMA, which was showing again buying pressure. And then we got here this kind of bullish engulfing candle which crossed the 20 EMA, where I used the 20 EMA as a protection in this minor uptrend as a trend continuation to trade this one. Then I didn't trade this one. I could have traded this, but it was for me a little bit too risky because we got here already a Bollinger squeeze, which shows some kind of consolidation. So I avoided to trade this, and I waited in this kind of ranging market that we got a reversal here. Yes, that was a process of elimination. Bullish candle, weak candle, spinning top, and after this a bearish engulfing candle which broke the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, and I entered into a put on the rejection from the 1 deviation Bollinger Band in the down direction. Yes, that were all the trades. So that was it already. So if you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. And so I would say, stay safe and bye-bye.